Let's explore the materials and textures included in the Japanese metal lantern bundle. The bundle includes two texture resolutions, 1K and 2K, optimized for different performance needs. Each lantern comes with a variety of texture sets. In the materials folder, you'll find two types of materials, double-sided and front-only. These categories are designed to cater to different rendering requirements, which we'll discuss in more detail later. The Prefabs folder is carefully categorized for easy use, with LOD Groups ensuring optimal performance and material variants offering flexibility in visual styles. Here, we have a lantern using a front-only material. As the lantern rotates, you'll notice that the backside of the transparent sections is not visible. This approach is optimized for performance, making it ideal for objects viewed only from one side. Now, let's look at the same lantern, but this time with a double-sided material applied. As it rotates, you can see that both the front and back sides of the transparent sections are visible. This makes double-sided materials perfect for objects that need to be seen from multiple angles, such as glass panes or intricate designs. In the Meshes folder, you'll find 3 resolution variants for each lantern: high res, medium res, and low res. These variants are designed to provide optimal visual quality while adapting to performance needs. Now, let's randomly select a LOD Groups prefab from the Prefabs/2K/LOD Groups folder. You'll see that the lantern prefabs are configured with LOD Groups, each containing all 3 mesh variants, low res, medium res, and high res, for a specific lantern. Let's drag the LOD Groups lantern prefab into the sample scene. See? It dynamically adjusts its resolution based on the camera's distance from the lantern, ensuring optimal performance and visual fidelity. For the demonstration of illumination, let's select a lantern prefab with a front-only material. Since illuminated lanterns don't need to render the backside of transparent parts, this is a performance-optimized choice. Now we'll drag the lantern prefab into the scene. Next, we'll choose an emissive source prefab from the Prefab folder. These prefabs come pre-configured with emissive materials, perfect for creating a glowing light source. We'll now drag the emissive prefab onto the lantern object in the scene. To better view the setup, let's add a camera to the scene. We'll adjust its position and rotation so the lantern is properly framed in the game view, giving us a clear preview of the lantern. Don't forget to enable the post-processing checkbox in the camera's inspector. This ensures the post-processing effects are applied. Now, we'll add a global volume to the scene and create a new volume profile. Finally, let's click the Add Override button in the global volume settings and select the bloom effect. Once activated, we'll adjust the bloom intensity. And there you have it. First tip, let's locate the Emissive for lantern material in the Materials folder. In addition to enhancing brightness with bloom, you can adjust the emissive material's intensity directly in the inspector. Increasing the intensity creates a brighter glow, perfect for night scenes or dramatic lighting. Conversely, lowering the intensity offers subtle illumination for a softer ambient effect. The next tip is about the smoothness setting. We'll select a random material and locate its smoothness property in the inspector. This value controls how reflective the surface appears. In this project, the default smoothness is set to 0.8, which is ideal for metallic surfaces like polished gold or steel. For rusted materials, reducing the smoothness value results in a more diffused, matte appearance. Typically, you won't need to adjust this setting because our smoothness maps automatically manage surface reflections. However, this tip is useful if you want to customize the material further to suit specific needs.